Hi everyone, it's Lauren Stark with Elite Realty and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going over the 2021 year-end market update, and my, what a year it has been for Vegas real estate in 2021. Very low inventory levels combined with extremely high demand made for a very frenzy and challenging market for buyers, and it certainly was a seller's market this year. As we reach the end of the fourth quarter, we've seen that pace temper a little bit, but Vegas just keeps hitting record numbers. Real quick, if you're new to my channel, I'm a realtor in Las Vegas and now Northeast Florida in the Jacksonville area. You can see behind me is just absolutely beautiful. I'm here for the next several months to scope out all the best communities, investments, and opportunities to bring to you guys on my channel, in addition to all my Vegas real estate videos. So if you haven't yet already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the latest in the Vegas and now Northeast Florida real estate market. So first, let's go over inventory levels. There have been inventory shortages all across the United States, and Vegas is no exception. We are down to a 1 month supply, which is even less than the frenzy of the summer months, where we had about a 1.5 month supply. The condo inventory is even lower with only a 2-week supply. So as we approach 2022, we are headed in with very low inventory levels. Hopefully those will increase some as the holidays are over and many people don't want to have their homes on the market during that time. So hopefully we'll see some increased inventory in the first quarter of 22. Single family home stats. So over the last 3 years, Vegas has experienced double-digit appreciation, and this year was no exception. For example, in the beginning of this year, January 2021, the average price of a home was $412,000. At the end of November of this year, the average price of a home hit $477,000, which is a 15.5% increase. The median home price for Clark County yet again hit another record, and that's coming in at $420,000. The median price for condos is now $240,000. Both of those numbers hit records for Las Vegas. Holy moly, the luxury market in Las Vegas is the strongest it has ever been ever since I can remember. In November alone, there were 142 luxury home sales with a median price of $1.4 million. So let me just go over the number of luxury home sales in 2021, as this segment of the market has been absolutely on fire and I think took everyone by surprise. Total for this year, there have been 1,341 sales that closed priced from $1 million to $3 million. 116 sales priced from $3 million to $5 million. 49 sales priced from $5 million to $10 million. And 7 sales $10 million plus. We actually had a record home sale of $25 million in McDonald Highlands, and of those 7 sales, 5 of those $10 million plus sales were in the Henderson area and 2 were in the Summerlin area. So many people are making Nevada their primary residence for obvious reasons, such as our tax-friendly environment, but for other reasons too, such as it's such a good base for those who do travel quite a bit with Harry Reid International Airport and flights coming in and out of there to wherever you want to go. There's also a private executive airport located in Henderson, not to mention all our fine dining and shopping, lifestyle, fabulous golf courses, and our 300 plus days of sunshine per year. People in that luxury segment are setting down some roots in Las Vegas. Let's talk about the high-rise market, because I wanted to separate that from the single-family homes because it really is its own segment of the market. And if you've been a subscriber of my channel, you know that I definitely know what I'm talking about when it comes to high-rise condos. This has been a little bit more of a normalized market. It hasn't been nearly quite as frenzied with the multiple offers and the bidding up over list price. However, the inventory levels do remain quite low, especially in the very high demand buildings such as the Martin and Turnberry Towers. As far as hotel condos such as Signature MGM, Palms Place, Trump Towers, the Platinum, and Vidara, that market was very hard hit in 2020. There were only 135 total hotel condo sales. Well, this year, that number more than doubled, and there were 360 total hotel condo sales. The median price for a hotel condo is $257,125 at about $404 per square foot. So that market completely rebounded this year. As far as condos located around the Strip, so those would include buildings such as Sky Las Vegas, both Turnberry Towers, Turnberry Place, the Martin, Panorama Towers, Metropolis Lofts, Allure, Veer Towers, and Waldorf Astoria. So all the condos that are located in the vicinity of the Strip. The median price of those is $498,000, coming in at about $355 per square foot for the median square footage of about 1,462 square feet. For downtown area condos, so those would include buildings such as Newport and Soho Lofts, the median price was $387,000, coming in at a median square footage of 1,258 square feet, which equates to about $325 per square foot. In the South Strip area, which is about 4 miles south of Mandalay Bay, and we talk about buildings such as One Las Vegas, Boca Raton, the median price was $369,900 with the median square footage of 1,354 square feet, which comes in at a median price per square foot of $265. When I look at those numbers and I take all that into account, I'd hedge my bet that in 22, it's a great time to buy a high-rise condo with those median price per square foot. It's still well below replacement cost of what it would cost to build a new high-rise building from start, concrete steel construction, in a location like that with the land values being what they are currently in Vegas. And Vegas is a little bit unique that even though we're a major metropolitan city, we don't have a ton of high-rises like some of the other cities like San Francisco or Miami or New York or Austin. We really have a limited number of high-rise buildings throughout the Las Vegas Valley, and there are none planned on the horizon for around that Strip area. There is actually a new high-rise building being planned in McDonald Highlands, which is going to be very, very luxury and very high-end, with prices starting from about $2 million plus. With all the exciting development, all the money that's being invested in our Strip area, I think that high-rise condos for 22 are a great opportunity to buy for some long-term appreciation. Let's talk about the new home construction market. Builders pulled 12,481 permits this year, which is up 11.5% from 2020. Buyers who are looking to purchase and build a new home need to expect for longer build times, as we are experiencing shortages of materials and labor, as much of the other parts of the country have also experienced. So normal build times used to be about 4 to 6 months. Now we're looking at about 8 to 12 months. For a larger luxury home, that build time can be extended from about 12 to 24 months, just depending on the project and where you're looking to build. There are still limited home sites being released for sale, and each time a phase is released, the prices have gone up. We're still experiencing lottery type situations for those home sites that are released, and in some cases you do have to give your highest and best bid for the lot. Keep in mind that each and every lot will have a lot premium, and those lot premium numbers have been extremely high because of the demand. So obviously builders are going to capitalize on the current market situations. For the year 2022, what do I think is going to happen? Well, the pace certainly did slow down in the fourth quarter of this year, and that's probably due to the holidays. More COVID outbreaks have happened, with this flu season that we're experiencing now, and people feeling the inflation effects and kind of waiting on the sidelines to see what happens with prices. Given the fact that Vegas has experienced double-digit appreciation for the past several years, that is something that is hard to sustain year after year after year. So I think that we are going to be on a slower appreciation percentage increase this year. That being said, interest rates are still so low and our rental rates throughout the Las Vegas Valley have drastically increased, so owning is still a better option. Prices in Vegas are going to continue to appreciate over the long term. I actually talk about our limited supply of land in a previous video that I did, and I'll actually post that in the link in the description below. But we are pretty much out of land in Vegas, and I think a lot of people don't realize that, and that is one of the reasons that new home builders are getting away with hefty premiums on lot sizes that are a little bit smaller. As I mentioned earlier, I still think that high-rise is a great option for 2022 with those price per square foot coming in at around $350 per square foot. That's a great opportunity to be found in that market. And I have a number of high-rise tours on our channel. So if you haven't yet already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. Wishing you all a very happy and healthy new year, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.